Rainbowcorns. I can even feel it. Just look, there's hearts on it that we can feel. And yours has mysteries on it. Yeah, and hearts.
How many different Rainbowcorns are there?
9.
There's 9?
100.
No, actually there's 12.
Ooh.
Okay.
I was so close. There's 12 different Rainbowcorns to collect.
What Rainbowcorn are you hoping you have, Jackson?
I hope I get this one white veil. I hope.
Oh, that's the unicorn, isn't it?
No, I think that's a dog and it's a unicorn.
Jackson's hoping to get the white unicorn,
And I'm hoping to get the kitty cat or the puppy.
what color kitty cat?
Pink.
You want the pink kitty cat?
That's the only kitty. There's lips. It's a cool. What do you want to name it, Daniel?
Can you guys tell me about him a little bit?
There's 2 surprises in them. Yeah, once there's like an egg in it, and there's like you can change this, and there's a clip on it that you can take on and off. Yeah, like on here, there's like it can come off and on, and it's like you can put it on your hair, and it's like a bow. I'm gonna buy one for Christmas. 2 days. 2. I'm gonna say, because can I buy 2? I'm like these things we did a video of.
You're gonna ask for more Rainbowcorns for Christmas?
I want it more. I want 100 unicorns. I want 100 of these for Christmas. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna ask for Santa Claus.
100 Rainbowcorns. The little egg in the bottom, what's in them?
Like cute little tiny eggs that you can crack them open. You can, and there's a big stuffy in there.
There's a big stuffy baby corn.
And there's a collector's guide.
There's a collector's guide. So, and then the little toy in the bottom that you can put that on top of a pencil. Huh? It's pretty cool. That's might be something you can take to school with you too.
What can you put on your pencil?
The toy that's in the egg in the bottom.
Oh yeah. It's so little.
Yeah, you can actually. It's a pencil topper.
Oh really?
Put
It's
it
a
on
popper.
pencil.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I knew that. Did you know there's wings?
Do they all have wings?
I think they all have wings. I saw them on iPad. I saw them on TV, and they all have wings.
Did you know you can switch out the sequins on the front of your Rainbowcorns? That's pretty cool,
Well,
huh?
I don't want to do that to my Rainbowcorn.
So if you collected a whole bunch of Rainbowcorns, then you can keep switching out the fronts on them. I thought that was kind of neat.
Yeah. Now can we open all you?
Well, let's go get your mom, and I think we'll have you and baby Jase open your Rainbowcorns first. Are you excited?
Yep.
Finally get to open the Rainbowcorns? Boys first, right? Boys rule!
Boys
Let me hear.
rule.
Boys rule, that's right.
Boys rule.
What? Don't tell Rowen that. Okay. Alright, Mom, you want to help them open? Yeah. Go for it. Can you guys get it?
I can.
Jase, open it.
Yeah, what?
Open it.
I need help.
Here.
Okay, Jase, let me open yours.
Oh, wait, Jackson, here. Wait. Actually, wait. We're getting yours. Here's yours. What's yours say? Do yours. Yours is your heart.
Okay. Okay.
What it is. Here we go.
Mine got
See it?
mine got
A bone?
a bone and a heart.
Oh, that one's. Oh boy. You're gonna get a puppy. Jase, open.
Oh,
how cute.
Oh.
Hey, Jase got a hamster. That's a hamster
The
one.
hamster's super cute.
Oh my.
Mine's big.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh, you got. Is it a bunny one?
Oh, open the way.
Oh yeah. What's at the bottom?
Yeah, we gotta open the toys at the bottom.
What did you get, Jase?
What did I get?
Oh, how cute. You
Look
got
at
two
what-
little ones. Ah,
They're boo-boocorns. I got one.
look at the boo-boocorns.
I got one.
You got one? Jase got twins. He got twins.
He got
pink
twins?
ones and a white one. Oh, he got little ones and you got a big one.
Aren't the twins rare?
I
Oh, that
don't
means
know.
that's
Are they
a
rare?
baby. That's a baby. This is the dada.
Is that the dad or the mommy?
I think this is the dada.
Rare boo-boocorn
twins.
How cool. Jase got the boo-boocorn twins. That's awesome. Here, let me get the stuff out of the way.
Boo-boocorn twins.
And you know what else these do? Look at, these can act like clips. You can put them on your bags or whatever. Or I guess you could put it back on the dude.
Yeah, actually they can interchange.
Oh, I guess you
No.
Oh, you went on there? Okay, I'm so sorry. There we go. Was it worth the wait, Jackson?
Yes.
Yeah? Cool. Is he cuddly?
Yes.
Is he squeezable?
Yes.
Is he sleepable?
Yes. I did.
Here, wait. Flip him. There we go. Look at you. Put his ears forward. They're super cute. Why didn't Mommy get one?
Jackson said he wants all of them and he wants them all for Christmas.
Oh, so I have to buy how many more?
100.
Like multiples of the same one?
Mom.
Yeah,
There's 12, so to get the whole set you'd need 11 more.
Mom. If we got the whole, if we got one of each.
Yeah, if you got one of
We
each.
got that lucky, huh?
I got a puppycorn.
And what did Jase get?
I'm a hamster.
Look at, he's got little wings on the back. Did yours have wings too?
Yeah. Where? Right here?
Yeah.
At the back like a butterfly.
They do have names. The hamstercorn is Pixelle,
Pixel.
and the puppycorn is Scruff.
Oh, Scruff. I like my name. Or I can just call him Jax. I like Jax.
How about Scruffy Jax?
No Jax.
Okay, just Jax.
Or Jax Scruffy.
Do you guys know what Rainbowcorn you're gonna get?
Yes. Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm going to get the special rare ice cream. And I'm going to get a popcorn.
Popcorn.
The popcorn.
Puppycorn? Puppycorn. And what's Sissy gonna get?
Ice cream.
A unicorn, you mean?
And I'm going to get a puppy.
Okay, we're making our predictions. We might get something totally different.
I go get.
Go ahead. Go ahead and open them. Oh, how pretty. Here. Why don't you-
And Reagan got a lollipop. I always wanted a special rare.
There's an ice
This
cream,
is a special rare.
an apple, and
Yay!
oh, how cute. That is a unicorn.
See?
Isn't it? Is that a unicorn?
This is a special rare.
She did.
How do I open it? I think.
Reagan,
Did you
it's
know
opening.
Did you know it has a clip on it? Look,
Look, she got it.
clip, and you can actually put it in your hair or on your backpack or something. Is that cool?
I put this on my heel.
On your
That's
hair?
super cute.
I can't flip it on.
Okay, hold on. I'll put
Oh,
this here.
Oh, God, I can't Let's see what's inside. Look, Reagan opened her little one.
Reagan got Munchie.
There we go.
Oh, everything matches. With my egg tape, oh, Bunnycorn.
By the way.
Tiny egg. How do we put this on? Let me rinse.
I'll come help
I
you
can
get
take
that
it out.
out.
It's
Here,
pink.
hand it to me.
Reagan has the pink one. I can take it out. There. it. Oh, it's always
You got a hamster, Reagan, just like baby Jase did.
It's a lot of flies. Well, how do you put this on? And I got a bunny. It's a butterfly. Okay, well, then you want to see what mine is? These are butterflies. They're not butterflies, they're bunnies. Look, I got wings too. Look.
Your bunny's Hipity.
Hipity.
Reagan got a Hamstercorn, which is Munchie.
Munchie?
Yeah, we got Munchie, Hipity, and Sparkool.
So cute.
Oh, good job.
Gonna talk to each other?
Oh no, these are practicing flying. This is the boys' lesson. This is the girls' lesson. Hope you do the back foot, please. Thank you for watching Dazzle and Sparkool. Like and subscribe. Bye, YouTube.
Thank you for watching Jackson and Rowan's Adventures. Please like us and subscribe.